That's 2.
You just think that's so funny.
Well, that's true.
Why?
It just is.
It's just scratchy.
Yeah, this is. Oh boy. Are we gonna have to go to the hospital?
Huh?
How many was that?
Is that 4?
No,
5.
no, 5. It was 5.
And you're sure you want to do McBride's?
Yes.
You're absolutely sure.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus.
Alright, okay.
Your sneeze causes a laugh quake. Do you agree?
Nah,
What? Then what causes the laugh quake then?
your giggle.
Oh! You can't say that.
Yes, I can.
Not in this life frame.
How many is that, 7?
No, that's 8.
Is that 8? Oh, jeez.
It could possibly go up to 10 because
Nah, I don't think so.
this will be Funny Grandma Sneeze version 19 uploading in 2 seconds.
Oh, I think I'm done now.
Hold on. You never know.
You never know. Yeah, with me, you never know. But I think I'm done. You gotta watch. Why don't you stop that now? Because you gotta watch to tell me where to turn.
All right.